Welcome to my channel Satvika Healthy Eats. Today I am at Hellock Farm just for a change because we can't go anywhere, so I thought let me go to the farm. And I was out on vacation, so we don't have any veggies at home. I thought let me go. So this is Gongura. Nice place. So I will show you other veggies also today. We'll start with Gongura. Nice place. Lots of veggies here. So wanted to do some pickles, so I thought let me pluck some tomatoes. So we'll do today Gongura, pachadi and this pappu as well. So I've taken 2 cups of chana dal. This is chana dal and half cup of tuar dal. So it's like my mom's recipe, so she used to make with the chana dal and tuar dal mix. So I'm showing it today. So you can use your own dal, but I'm making with this chana dal and a mix of tuar dal. And I'm taking a few jalapenos, 1 cup of 1 tablespoonful of ginger garlic paste, or you can shred it as well, curry leaves. So we'll just wash it nicely. So I'm taking 2 cups and half cup of tuar dal. I'll wash it nicely and show you how it goes. So I washed it nicely, our dal pappu, and then I took around 6 cups of water because it was 2.5 cup altogether. So 6 cup of water. You can adjust your the quantity if you want. So some 2 tablespoon of oil. I'm using olive oil here. You can use any other oil you want. And then 1 teaspoon full of turmeric, or sorry, 2 tablespoon, 2 spoonful, and then 2 tablespoonful of Kashmiri chili powder. You can increase or decrease the quantity. So 2 tablespoon is good for me, so I'm going for it. And I took 2 jalapenos. Like I took out all the seeds, as you can see, or else it will be very spicy. So just take out the seeds. And then I'm adding this ginger, shredded ginger, and garlic, and curry leaves, and we will cook around, like we will here for 5 to 6 whistles, and it will be done. So high flame, 5 to 6 whistles. We will here for 5 to 6 whistles. So I have taken, I'll repeat once, I have taken around 6 cups of water because 2.5 cup was lentils, like the chana and chana dal and tuar dal. And I took 2 teaspoonful of turmeric, 2 tablespoonful of red chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, jalapenos, 1 tablespoonful of ginger and garlic shredded, and curry leaves and all. So we'll just here we'll put on the lid, and we will hear for around 5 whistles or so, and I'll just show you how it goes. Hearing 5 whistles, pressure cooker. After 5 whistles we'll check. Okay, this is good. This is good. So you can increase and decrease the quantity of water if you want. So this is good for me. So we'll just add 1 teaspoonful of coriander powder, 1 teaspoonful of cumin powder, and mix it and let it cook again on medium flame for about 5 minutes or so. Just cook it another 5 minutes or so. So our gongura or rosella or kudrun, I washed it nicely. Like if you want, you can add some salt and let it sit for 2 minutes or 3 minutes and then wash it again. Wash it nicely, and then I will cut it, and then I'll show you how it goes. So I washed it nicely and I cut it. So kudrun or gongura or rosella, it's nice and good, good source of iron and other vitamins like A and folate as well. Iron is also there, so it is good. It's good for kids as well. Satvika enjoys a lot. Even I used to like a lot. It's my husband's favorite as well. So I thought let me do pickle and pappu both. So half of the quantity we will use as pickle and half quantity we will use in the pappu. So first we will my skillet is ready. So I'll just take around 2 tablespoonful of this oil, olive oil I'm taking. You can take any other oil. So I'll just take cumin and 1 teaspoonful and mustard, little cracker. So once it crackles, we added our methi seeds. So farm is good, like kids will also enjoy, but then 2 to 3 years is like it will be hard to manage them. So picking, like Satvika is 6 years, so we were able to manage for around 1 hour or 2 hours. It will be hard more than that. So just plant before. So we'll add our red chili, whole red chili. So now we can add garlic. Just split it and just we can add our curry leaves as well. This is for the talimpu, for the pappu. We will take it aside. If you want, you can add ginger. It's optional. Like my mom used to add it, so I'm habituated with that. So just let the garlic be brown, little translucent also. So I would suggest to take gloves and all for the kids as well, because they'll be plucking picking that veggies. So at the most, like around 1 to 2 hours we can manage. It's from 2 to 3 to 5 or 6 years. So plan accordingly. So they get bored very quickly if it is veggies. So Satvika was like, after 30 minutes or so, she was like, I'm done. So this is good. I'm on a medium flame. So we will keep it aside, and we will use that for the talimpu later in our pappu. So I just took out the tampering or pappu with that, and I'll keep it aside so that I can use it later for the talimpu. Okay. Now in the same skillet we will add little more oil, maybe 1 to 2 spoon, and then on low flame, please note down, low flame, we'll add our gongura or rosella or puree. So we'll cook it on low flame. I would suggest not to pressure cook it because all the vitamin and mineral will go. So better just it will be done in 5 minutes. Just cook it like that and it will be done in 5 minutes. See, now only it's reducing. So just on low flame, please be on low flame. And just cook it for 5 minutes and it will be done, and then we will transfer this to our pappu. So let me show you after 5 minutes on low flame. So after 5 to 10 minutes, it was more of leaves, like around half to 1 lb of leaves, gongura leaves. So it took long for me, but usually it will be done in 5 minutes. So half of it we will use it for the pappu or dal, and the other half I will show you how to make the pickle. So my mom, whenever she used to make the pappu, she used to even make the pickle as well. So this is done. We will transfer this to the half of it to the pappu, and I'll show you how it goes. So we'll just mix it. The leaves which we already cooked it, we transfer it to the pappu or dal, and we'll mix it nicely on low flame. Adjust the consistency. This consistency is good for me. This is good for me, but if you want, you can add water or adjust the consistency accordingly. At this point we can add our salt as per taste. So this is good for me, and mix it nicely. A very nice aroma. Very tasty. Good source of iron, vitamin E, vitamin A, folate, and immunity as well. Good for immunity as well. So at this time we can add our talimpu, which we kept it aside. We'll add that. And that's it. It is done. Just mix it nicely and taste the salt and all. Very tasty. Satvika likes it a lot. So we will go for the pickle. Just we have to do the talimpu for the pickle. It is ready. We'll just do the talimpu and I'll show you how it goes. Dal is done, so we'll keep it aside. Just mix it nicely. Yeah. Now I will show you how to do the pickle, gongura pickle or pachadi. So for the talimpu, I am taking 2 to 3 spoonful of olive oil. You can take any other oil. So we'll just wait on medium flame. We'll cook it on medium flame. So my leaves is already done. You already saw this. So I just kept it aside. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes it was done. So don't cook it more, like my mom used to be concerned about the green leafy vegetables. We should not cook more. Maybe 5-10 minutes, that's it, because it was more of quantity, like around half to 1 lb, so I cooked for 5 to 10 minutes, but usually it will be cooked very fast, so be careful with that. And just be stirring it, because it may stick to the pan. It's very easy to stick to the pan, so just be careful on that. So this is hot, so I'll add mustard seeds, 2 spoons or so. This is very tasty. So 1 teaspoonful methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Just let it crackle. Once it crackles, we can add our chana dal and urad dal. So maybe 2 tablespoons or so, 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then we will add red chili, whole red chili, maybe 3 to 4. You can add saffron or hing. So on medium flame you can let it crackle. Just wait for 1 minute or so. So just after 1 minute or so, we'll add our garlic. It's around 6 to 7 garlic. I just heat it into 2 or so. So just let it cook for another 1 minute till it becomes brown, with light brown. And curry leaves also. Just let it cook on medium flame. So this is like at this point we can add turmeric, 1 teaspoon, teaspoon. On low flame, make it low flame. And 2 teaspoonful coriander powder, 1 teaspoonful cumin powder, and 2 tablespoonful of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 or 3, your wish, like according to your taste. I'm going to add 3 tablespoonful, and just stir it. And this we will transfer to our gongura, which we already cooked. So this is good. Now we can transfer it. I'll show you after transferring it to the gongura. On low flame, I'm doing it on low flame, just 1 minute, so that our masalas get cooked. Just on low flame. So this is good. We'll transfer it to the gongura and I'll show you. Just transfer it on the tampering, and then I'm mixing it. It's on low flame now, just 1 or 2 minutes. And at this point you can add salt as per taste. Okay, this is good for me, around 1 tablespoon or so. So I'll just mix it and show you. So I mixed it nicely, maybe 1 minute or so, and this is done. You can off the flame. So this is how I do my gongura or kudrun rosella pachadi or pickle, and even pappu as well. So please do comment and subscribe my channel Satvika Healthy Eats. Thank you.